Welcome back to the English Tropical Garden. I've started off in the conservatory today because it's very cold. It's January, probably it's the coldest month I think for the UK. And this penny tree, it's got flowers coming. Does it every year. So pretty. So I thought we'd start there because that'll be lovely soon. So anyway, we're going to venture out into the garden. There's not really a great deal to see, just a lot of fleece really. The fuchsia just here is still going, no flowers now, but hopefully it won't get hit by the frost too hard. Here, look, all dressed up for the winter is the agave. It's undercover, so it should be fine. I've just put the fleece around to give it a little bit of extra protection. Just an experiment. I'm still learning in this one. Here's the banana. Again, nicely covered up, so hopefully that will keep it nice and cozy. And I've also put some covering around the base as well, so that if it does take a really big hit with the cold weather, I'm protecting its roots. We've got little buds on the camellia, so hopefully we'll have flowers on that in the spring. And the winter jasmine is flowering, so that's pretty. Problem is I don't really come out here this time of the year. It's very cold. Here we have the tree fern. I've put fleece in the core to protect the core of it, and then it's got fleece wrapped around it, and then extra insulation that I found in the garage. And the tetrapanax look very sad, all the leaves have dropped, but I've wrapped the stem because again I want to try and protect it. And the cordyline here, that's last year hit right back to the base and grew, so now I'm just protecting that. And the fish very quiet. You can see them there, but they're low down. It's cold. They're not feeding. They're just they're just having a chill. It's probably all you can do in this bitterly cold weather. So yeah, everything's protected as best as I can, and I'll do another video soon. We'll see how things are doing, probably February I would think. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.